Hey champs, do you see this warning icon next to your social profile? It's time to re-authenticate your account. Follow this step-by-step video to learn how to re-authenticate your social media accounts on Social Champ. After logging into your Social Champ account, you will land on the content dashboard by default. Navigate your cursor to the left panel to find and click the settings option. This will open a drop-down menu. In the menu, find and click the Manage Account option. Here you will see a list of social media accounts you have connected with Social Champ. In order to re-authenticate an account, click on the Reconnect button. You will be redirected to the login page of the respective social media account. There you need to enter your credentials and then authorize Social Champ to be connected to your social media account. Great work! You have successfully re-authenticated your social media account.